Finally, Unity has launched one of the best update of this week, and basically you can see the game on your screen. It's completely generated using AI. All the images, all the sprite, all the animations, all the background scenes. Basically, I will tell about how this game was developed, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, let's dive into it. Basically, Unity has launched recently Unity CLI, command line interface for Unity, and basically it is one of the best tool to connect provide an AI agent to interact with Unity. And this is one of the coolest feature launched by Unity this week, and which where your project SS will be completely provided to an AI model, and which can code instead behalf of you for you. And you can develop games like pretty realistic with various type of features, and you can see some of the examples provided by Unity for this, and the earlier game which I have provided you that also was developed using this Unity CLI. And basically if we talk about the Unity CLI, they have provided the official documentation which you can see on your screen, and you can easily read about it, how to install and how to make and work on your specific project which you're building for like a specific games. And if you don't know about Unity is used for developing the games and which are very much efficient for mobile. And there is also an open source game engine called Godot, but as compared to Godot, the performance of Unity is pretty much better for mobile games as well as the PC games. If you're developing a game for like a production level or for further features updates and for high resolution as well as the working feature and with efficiency and speed, you should definitely prefer Unity. This is not for the first time that Unity has provided this CLI. Earlier we used to connect Unity using Unity MCP, which is also an open source GitHub repository which you have to install and used for connection between the AI models and the specific editor of which the project which you are working on. Just you have to install the provided the commands for command line interfaces, and then connect to AI agent for your specific type of AI then you have to use your specific model and provide the your specific project which you're working, and then entire code logic as well as the graphic shaders as well as all type of controls will be done by AI agent, like adding a specific type of objects, assets, and controlling the script and providing assessing the animators and extracting the features if you are facing any type of problems related to using providing an app icon or using a type of menu you want a specific layout. So you can prefer using the Codex as well as the Cloud to give access to this command line interface of Unity, and it will capable to achieve just by a single prompt. You have to just provide and all the type of assets, objects which you will be used in the scene, the Unity using CLI, that AI agent will be able to interact with this scene and capture specific type of images, like they are also able to see images like AI models like Cloud as well as Codex. So you can easily provide the command line interface and make them to assess this project, and they will work for you and build your projects for you, and assets, surroundings for your games also. Although all such things will be built using this Unity AI MCP, and this is the complete insane feature. Sorry, not MCP, it is CLI. And if you talk about MCP and CLI, these both are completely different but perform similar type of tasks, giving the specific type of software access to AI model. Basically if you talk about the Unity MCP, that Unity MCP has a feature, but it is like a less access to the entire project structure, and it work on a specific port like client and a server interaction, where your Unity project will be server and AI agent will be used for a client for connection between server and this. And this will be the performance will be very much slow, as well as the AI agent to build a project. It will use various types of context, huge amount of context for searching entire project again and again, and where this CLISS can be able to give entire access of your project, and where the all types of file directory structure and where entire assets are stored. And this is completely insane, and this is developed by Unity itself, so it has various extra features as compared to Unity MCP. So you should give it a try. I cannot say that it will replace complete game developer, but in future we will see just by single prompt we will get the entire game on our screen. yeah, so this was the update regarding Unity CLI from Unity. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you next other video with latest topic. Bye bye and take care.